So today I'm going to try to show you how to remove scratches from your vehicle. Again, on the 2009 Toyota here, we had a cat. My daughter had a cat and liked to jump on the cars here and up in the attic. So we've got several scratches on the door here. I'm going to show you real quick. You can kind of see the scratches on the door where the cat would jump down or jump up and just scratch the car. So I'm going to show you how to get those out. Alright, after you've prepared the surface, you've washed the vehicle, it's clean, then what you're going to do is just kind of read the instructions. It says to shake it well, and then you can just dispense about a quarter size drop onto your cotton cloth, like so. And then you're just going to rub it gently in a circular motion, pressing firmly. And if you've rubbed it on there pretty good, it starts to dry, just turn the cloth over. Just kind of wipe it off the other way. And it says, it may take a couple tries. You can kind of see where it's pulled it out. There's still a little bit left. So we'll try it one more time. Same thing. Circular motion, a little pressure. And when you see it start to dry, turn your cloth over and rub it out. Actually, it's pretty good. You can do the same thing. These little scratches right here. You just rub it in there good. It may not get the scratches out all the way, but they're not as noticeable, and it's still better than going to an auto shop and paying several $100s. Rub it good. All right, we'll turn it over again. Not sure if you can see on the camera real good, but that completely did away with that scratch. There you go. That's all you do. Here's another spot on the Toyota. I was going to show you. I think you can see it a little bit better with this light. You can kind of see the scratch goes like this. I'm just going to take this rubbing compound. Same thing. Firm pressure. And you can see it's completely rubbed it out. Turn the cloth over, wipe it off, and you can see the scratch is gone. Rubbing compound. This stuff's amazing. Just gets your little scratches out. If it gets down to the paint, you may have to get a paint marker and touch it up, but this is always a good place to start. Totally recommend it. Save you a couple $100.